Alright, so today I have one of these Wendy toys, so let's just open this. So first we gotta get the crown. Okay, so as you can see, I got the crown out. So this book is written and illustrated by Wendy. Here is my name. And okay, so we have all these fun stickers right here. And this is like a little comic book. Let's be a superhero. My name is blank. My name is blank. So there's boy and a girl. So we have to write their name. Right.
I gotta move Mammy's car so Daddy can mow the grass.
So her name could be. Her name could be. Let's see. What do you think her name should be? Comment in below. Alright, so we're just gonna name her Lizzie. Lizzie. My name is Lizzie. And the boy name? And the boy name will be... Comment down below what you think the boy name should be. I think it's gonna be 8. So here's it so far. And I think let's just add some stickers. I don't know where, but I'm just gonna save these stickers for something else. So let's go to the next page. First, I need a super suit. Okay, so we're going to write. We're going to draw a suit for it. So let's just draw a suit. When you pause the video. Okay, the video's ending. So I just made a little dress and some super boots. And I'm gonna go make some gloves now. So we got so first we got the little dress and we got the super belt, and we got the boots right here, and we got the gloves. So let's go to the next page. Oh, we're supposed to make one with the stickers. Okay, so I actually have to do it with the stickers. I'll show you. So here is what I made. And then here's some other stickers for other videos. And yeah. Wait a minute, you're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to do it with the stickers. So yeah, we did this, and so let's go to the next page. Okay, so now we gotta do him too. So I'm glad we got these stickers left for him. So I'll see you when we make it. So here's what I made. He's mostly gold, and this is a smoke bomb right here. I'm just saying that. And also, yeah, so let's go to the next page. I'll drive the streets in my supercar. So here is the stuff to make a supercar. It's mostly pets, but I'm probably just going to make a car. So I'll see you when we make the car. And here is the supercar. I've chosen these black wheels. These black wheels right here, and I've chosen this to get them flying in the air. So let's go to the next page. So the next page, okay, this is the wrong side. So the next page is this page. I'll fly with my super pet. So we need to make a super pet. So I'll see you when we get the super pet done. So here's a super pet. Obviously I choose a cat because I love cats. And I also forgot to add something on the car. I forgot to add this fire. So let's do that right now. Okay, and there is... And let's go to the next page. Our super secret Our super secret headquarters has everything we need. So we have to draw stuff. They don't give us stickers for this one, so I'll see you when I draw this whole page. Oh, this is fun. And also they have this right here. So here is the headquarters that I made. So right here they have some suits, and they can also see what missions they have to go on. And over here they have their weapons. And this is how you get down. This is how you get down from the headquarters. So yeah. Now let's go to the next page. So here's the next page. So it says, my x-ray vision can see through walls. So we have to add what kind of things are gonna be in the walls. So I'll see you when I do that. Okay, I made what he's seeing through the walls. So this is just a place where you work out, and there's a car here that parked to do some weights. And then over here, this monster is stealing some gems and some money. So yeah, and oh my gosh, I forgot to do this one. So this one says, and I can lift anything with my super strength. So we have to do what she's lifting. Oh, that's what the car is for. So let's just try to get this car off of here. Okay, hold on. Alright, I got the car off of there. Now I'll tell you when I'm done what she's wearing. So here's what I've chosen for her lifting. A car with weights on top of it. She is very strong. So let's go to the next page. I can move things with my mind. And the other page says, and my belt is full of super gadgets. So he's going to be moving stuff, and I'll tell you what they are when I'm done. So for this one, I did a basketball, a toaster, and a flashlight. He's all moving this. And now let's go to the next page. And it says, and my belt is full of super gadgets. So I'll tell you what super gadgets are in a minute. So here's all the super gadgets that I added, and I have to take out the stickers. But here's all of them that I added. Now I'm going to take out all of the stickers on the previous page because I think that improves that. So let me mark it with my crown. And I'm just going to rip all of them out. Because I might need them for something else. Just get all these out of the page.
I know, guys, me.
And I also have no idea what these are for, so let me just get them out.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
And so I got them out. Now let's go back to the page. Let me find it. I'm very close. Okay, so here is what I added. So I added a boomerang, a little rope, a shield, some super handcuffs, their phone so they can see what's going on in the city, and they can see who's the monsters. And I added these little things. I think they're buttons. And this little, what's it called again? Laser, yeah. So let's go to the next page. Time to battle monsters and save the day. Right there. Time to battle monsters and save the day. So I'll show you what I did after I'm done. Here is all the monsters that I added. My favorite part about being a superhero is I get to fly. The end. So I hope you guys liked watching this video. Make sure you give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.